What's up, guys? So what's up? It's been, by the way, Chiquita here. It's been a month and a half, I think, na hindi na ako nakapag YouTube or vlog. So, ayan. First time kong naka-experience sa Winter World. That's the outside right now. So, yan. Part of that, so we traveled here all the way from Florida to New York, upstate New York. And then, may nangyari. Actually, nawala yung nawala yung SD card ko. Hinahanap ko pa until now. So, I'm hoping na makikita ko siya before kami aalis. And I really don't know what happened. Pero, ganyan yung nangyari. Nawala yung SD card ko. And aside from that, nakabili naman ako agad. Pero, I have to prioritize on something. So, that's one of the reason naglaylo muna ako sa YouTube. And, basically, na-excite ako papunta dito sin. So, now I experience ano yung life pag dito kami tumira, ano yung life pag doon kami sa Florida. Kasi ito lang yung dalawang state na iniisip namin. Kasi nandito yung family yung family niya. So, hindi pala ako nakapag-vlog masyado back in December or Christmas kasi first time pero nagkatipon-tipon yung mga family, and then yung from West Coast pumunta sa East Coast for holiday. So, ayan. And kaya iwas man ako sa vlog. And then, ayan, doon ko na-realize na nag-vlog pala ako kasi na-bored ako. Ganon. And then at least I understand. I think you guys understand me, what I'm talking about. So, ano pang ginawa namin? From the day that we arrived, so we have so many agenda. We watched a game live in the stadium in Syracuse University, so to support the team, and it was so nice. That was fun. Good timing na yung pagpunta namin dito kasi hindi masyadong grabe ka snow at that time, mga December. Hindi masyadong snow, unlike last year, sabi niya. So, nakikisama yung weather sa amin, or maybe sa akin. Kahit si Babe, he grew up from this weather, hindi niya gusto. So, ganyan. Aside from that, we went to, first time ko mag-skating dito. Hindi ako talaga marunong, pero I tried. So, I'm looking forward for the second time around na mag-skating kami with my mom-in-law. And dapat marunong na ako. Hindi ako masyado nakaka-move. Hindi tuloy ako nakaka-vlog at that time. I was surprised, guys. You know what? What makes me surprised? I was surprised na maraming mga Pinay dito sa upstate New York. As in, that was unexpected. Last summer, I only met Wang, which is next door or next house. They just live next door. So, Wang ay taga Mindanao. Hindi ko natandaan kung anong part sa Mindanao. Something. So, Bisaya siya, guys. So, nagkakaintindihan kami, and then, na-feel ko yung Pinas sa bahay nila. Kasi halos every week, or, may mga gathering, or may get together with the other Filipina. So, ayan. Pumunta kami nag-sledding kami ni Babe. That was fun. And, right, it was so cool. And I love doing it. Especially with my son. Ang ganda. Ang sarap. As long as I am geared up, then I'll be fine. So, ayan. If you've been following in my Instagram, yes, I am ako na ngayon ay isang stock trader. Yan, stock trader, full-time. So, for now, kasi alam ko na I will be traveling there will be an event. I will be traveling this year, so there's no way na pag nasa office ako or nasa isang company ako from somebody else nag-work, hindi ako makakapag-travel. Right? Hindi ako makapag-travel ng matagal. I'm planning na at least 1 month. At least 1 month. So, kaya inaral ko yung stock trading. Stock trading is way different from just investing. We started this off from investing, a long-term investment, investing. However, when the market has changed from its direction, and doon ko na appreciate yung trading, and doon ko na appreciate yung stock trading. Stock trading, which is basically buy and sell, and I thought it was simple. I thought it was simple, guys, na buy and sell lang, buy high, low, buy lang, but that's not how it works. If you knowing, kasi yan din yung inaral ko for the past month nung nag-resign ako sa trabaho. So inaral ko yan. Ayan, kasi now na it's been a month, or it's been few months na nag-trading ako, dito ko na-realize, and dito ko na-realize yung reality na this is the most uncomfortable position or responsibility na na-handle ko so far sa lahat, naging trabaho ko. Ayan, kasi it involves finances, it involves money, it involves a lot of quick decision making. So, yan muna yung ichichika ko. Wala namang, salamat pala sa nag-remind sa akin na, just keep it going sa YouTube. Yeah, true. I'm looking forward na may share ko about stock trading, guys. Let's have that mindset. I think that's it for today, guys. And thank you for stopping by, and thank you for watching. And thank you for listening to my blah, 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 blah. And until next time, I'll see you around. Goodbye.